Hey guys, this is Will here at Cross Jeep in Louisville, Kentucky. Look what we just got in. It's a 2022 Jeep Gladiator Rubicon. This one was built by AEV, American Expedition Vehicles. This has got the JT370 kit upgrade. So it's got a lot of, aftermarket AEV goodies. This one's gonna be featured in the Sting Gray clear coat. I'll kind of start up here in the front and I'll kind of show you and discuss some of the upgrades that come along with this kit. Starting up here in the front, you got the AEV steel front bumper. You also got the AEV Off-Road Lights, worn winch. You're still gonna get that front trail cam. Very, very handy when you're on trail. Got the dual vented hood, LED lighting. They also replaced the front and rear diff covers, so you got the AEV stamped covers. Looks like we got the Baja Designs light bar underneath the steel bumper. Kind of moving our way over here to the driver's side. I really like these a lot. Got the AEV Salta XRs, but they're paint to match, so they're also Sting Gray clear coat as well. Looks like we got some rigid off-road lights. There's your AEV badging, proven worldwide. You're also gonna get some Weston HDX side steps, which also are a steel side step. Open up this driver's door. Very, very clean. 2022 with about 20,000 miles. Got your AEV stitched headrest. Looks like we got the 8-inch touchscreen display. Got the cold weather package. Looks like you got a trailer brake controller as well. I kind of like this too. They kind of carried on the Sting Gray and painted the plastic dash as well. Got your WeatherTech floor mats. And that AEV badging is going to carry on to the back seats as well. Very, very clean JT370. This one also is going to come with the, I believe it's a 2.5-inch DualSport Suspension setup. So you got a little lift, 37-inch tires. Got those Salta XD paint to match wheels. Got some more AEV badging here on the tailgate. Got a tonneau cover, receiver hitch. Got the rear steel bumper with the parking sensors. Gonna show you this tonneau cover. Working our way around to the passenger side. I mean, this thing is awesome little build. Love the look of this. It's probably the first time I've ever seen a Sting Gray JT370. I think I could do without these anodized red, I guess, accessories on the dials. Got a little AEV metal plate. So let's see, this one was built on January of 2022. Make it official with your little metal plaque or door card. Give you an up close on the RT 5100 series, I guess, shocks. But overall, I mean, this thing is spectacular looking. It's got a great little, I guess, lift to it. Got your off-road style front bumper. Absolutely love the Salta XD paint to match wheels. Let me step back a little bit and let you get a full, I guess, perspective on this thing. And by the way, this thing is available. This just showed up on our lot yesterday. Just want to give you guys a little first look on a Sting Gray JT370. A couple things I forgot as I'm walking around. Got the painted hardtop. You're also gonna get the rear sliding window. And one other thing I wanna check as well, let's pop this tailgate open. I wanna see if we got a bed liner in it as well. Oh, nice. So you got the bed liner, and you also got this carpeted, I guess, cover as well. Got the cargo lights, LED tail lights as well. But yeah, it's gonna kind of wrap up today's video. Just want to give you a little walk around on this low mileage 2022 AEV JT370. I'll step back as well, let you look at, have a look at the passenger side. But other than that, it's gonna wrap up today's video. So be sure to like it, subscribe, comment down below. Let me know what you think of the Stingray JT370 kit. Also, check out our website, crossjeep.com. Give us a call anytime, 502-537-1738. And y'all have a wonderful day. Thank you guys for watching.